How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Sim-Alot Makes, where today we're going to be making some fried eggs. Well, to be a little bit more precise, dos huevos. So, let's talk about heat first. The first thing you're going to want to do is heat your stove up to about medium heat. So, today I'm going to be using my gas burner stove. About medium heat, nice blue flame. Then you're going to want to grab yourself your favorite mid-size frying pan. This one happens to be mine. So, we'll just set that on the heat. And then we're going to grab some butter. Now, the amount of butter I use is not specific. It's around a half a tablespoon. But if you guys want to be specific, it is a crap load of butter. So we're just going to toss that in the pan here with the knife that is way too big for grabbing butter, but we're going to do it anyway. All right, perfect. Then we're going to wait for this butter to melt. Now, one way that I found for it to be melting better is if you give it a little bit of a jostle or just a slight nice swirl motion. There you go. Good job, Sim. Yes, that's nice. Okay, so then you're going to want to just kind of let this guy melt. Now, you may be wondering why I'm setting it on medium heat to start with, because you want to slowly melt your butter. That way it does not brown in the pan. You'll see we almost have it all the way melted now, so we're going to give it a more violent shake now to make sure that all of the surfaces are covered in a lot of butter, because at the end of the day, these are fried eggs. Very gently crack an egg in there. Make sure you do not break the yolk, because broken yolks are the devil. And then we're going to very violently break this yolk on the side of the pan. But I would not recommend breaking yolks on the side of the pan, because look at the goo that is left on our pan here. Now, the next thing we are going to do here is we are going to salt and pepper. So we're going to season to taste, salt and black pepper. Normally I give it about 3 or 4 shakes, sometimes 5 depending on how randy I'm getting about salt and pepper. Here you go. Yeah, nice salt and pepper grinders. Those are very nice. Just go ahead and get some salt on there too. And then the next thing we are going to do here is going to be a little bit more strange. So we started the heat on medium heat, but now we're going to crank it up to high. We want to make sure that those flames get nice and big. Turn that up. There you go. Good work. Now, why do I do this? I do this because I do not want to burn the butter, like I said before, but you want to cook the eggs quickly. That way the yolks remain runny. The important thing about having fried eggs a la Sim is that you want them runny. Now what we are going to do is we are going to, let's just grab our favorite little spatula here that we have after these fry away for a second, and we are going to just pull them apart, because I don't like that they're sticking together right now. So just give those a little cut, a little scoot, get a little nice gentle, don't break that yolk. Good, Sim. All right, and now we're just going to kind of let these guys bubble away here for a little while. Look at all that bubbling there. Nice. All right, so while these are cooking on this side, you're going to be getting a plate out. Make sure you have that. Nice foot pick there. And then once these are all fried up, what you're going to do now is you're going to flip them over, being very, very careful not to break these yolks, because who likes not runny yolks when you're having fried eggs? A lot of people, Sim. That's who. All right, but in this sense, we are not going to break these yolks. Be more gentle next time. Jesus, you monster. All right. Just now. Okay, you can do it. There you go. Good job, Sim. You're so good. All right, now let's flip this guy over as well. Gentle. Jesus. All right, nice gentle there. All right, just gently. Oh, now you did it. Now you did it. You just leave it. Good enough. Breaking the eggs himself. All right, well, now we're going to let these fry for about another minute or so on this side. Okay, you want to make sure that they're going to get a little bit cooked on this side, but be warned, you don't want to overcook that yolk. And look at how perfect both of these came out. Little tiny brown crispy bits on them. Yep, and that's what about 1 minute will do. Grab yourself your favorite plate and toss them on yourself a nice plate. Don't worry about butter splatter. Butter is flavor, aka fat is flavor, and that is why I am so delicious. Okay, so we are now here looking at our wonderful fried eggs, and let's see how good we did. Let's grab ourselves our fork and just give that a little bit of a cut right there in the middle. Here we go. Let me see. Oh, look at that gooey yolk still. Normally I like them a little bit more runny than this, but I still did a pretty darn good job. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, thumbs up for having the runny yolk. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, that was actually really good. Well, all right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.